In this brief video tutorial, we're going to look at how to run your own ERC 4337 compliant bundler client. So more specifically, we're going to be running Etherspot's version, which is called Skandha. So we'll start by going to this link here, github.com/etherspot/Skandha. And I'm just going to clone down this repo. I'll go into the repo here and I'll install the packages using yarn. We scroll down here, we can see the steps that I'm going to follow. So after that installs, we'll give it a minute, I will build the packages. Now that that's done, I'll run yarn build and yarn bootstrap. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm just going to open this up in VS Code. So as you can see here, we have a config.json.default file. I'm just going to make a copy of that and rename it so it's just config.json, as this is the config file that Skandha is going to use when we run it. You can see here we have the RPC endpoint set to localhost right now. I don't have a node or a client running, so I am just going to take an RPC from chain list here, just for this example. I'm just going to plug it in here, save the file, go back to my directory, and just run Skandha, and I'm going to run it in the standalone version. And that's it. Our bundler client is running. We can see the server is listening on this port here. Now we can submit user ops. And just a couple more things to note here. If you want to simplify this process a lot, you can run our one-liner here to get Skandha up and running instantly. And if you want to know more about what you can do with Skandha, you can take a look at the config down here on the repo, or go to etherspot.fyi/Skandha to read the docs about what else you can do using this bundler.